Why are there not more people talking about waterproof laminate flooring? Renovating your home should be exciting, not stressful. It's a chance to breathe new life into your living space, to make it truly yours. But with so many decisions to make, it can quickly become overwhelming. Choosing the right flooring is a big part of that. It's the foundation of your home's aesthetic and functionality. The right choice can transform a room, making it more inviting and comfortable. Waterproof laminate flooring is a game changer, especially for areas prone to moisture. Kitchens, bathrooms, and basements can benefit greatly from this innovation. It combines the beauty of traditional flooring with modern technology. Say goodbye to worries about spills and splashes. With waterproof laminate, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your floors are protected from everyday accidents. Traditional hardwood, while beautiful, can warp with moisture. This can lead to costly repairs and a lot of frustration. It's a risk that many homeowners are no longer willing to take. Tile is durable but can be cold and unforgiving underfoot. It's not always the most comfortable option, especially in colder climates or for families with young children. Waterproof laminate offers the best of both worlds, style and practicality. It mimics the look of hardwood or tile, but provides a warmer, more resilient surface. It's perfect for busy households. Whether you have kids, pets, or a bustling social life, waterproof laminate can handle the wear and tear of daily life. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or updating your bathroom, waterproof laminate is a smart choice. It's versatile and can seamlessly blend with any design style. It's about enjoying your home without worry. With waterproof laminate flooring, you can focus on making memories, not maintaining your floors. What makes waterproof laminate different? The secret is in its core. Unlike regular laminate, it uses advanced technology to create a moisture-resistant barrier. This means spills can't seep in and damage the floor. No more worrying about spills, splashes, or pet accidents. This makes it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even mudrooms. Waterproof laminate is also incredibly durable. It can handle heavy foot traffic and resist scratches and stains. You get lasting beauty without sacrificing performance. Looking for the best waterproof laminate? Tired of the same old flooring options that don't quite meet your needs? Look no further than FloorPops Rigel peel and stick floor tiles. These innovative tiles are designed to make your life easier and your home more beautiful. These tiles combine stunning design with unparalleled functionality. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, bathroom, or any other room, FloorPops has you covered. The Rigel collection features a sleek, modern aesthetic. Each tile is crafted to perfection, ensuring a high-end look without the high-end price. The tiles mimic the look of real stone, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Imagine the luxurious feel of stone without the hassle of installation. Choose from various colors to match your style. Whether you prefer classic neutrals or bold patterns, there's a FloorPops tile for you. But the beauty of FloorPops goes beyond looks. These tiles are easy to install, requiring no special tools or expertise. These tiles are 100% waterproof, making them perfect for even the most demanding areas. From kitchens to bathrooms, FloorPops stands up to moisture and spills with ease. Why choose FloorPops Rigel tiles? Well, installation is a breeze. With their peel and stick backing, you can easily transform your floors without any messy adhesives. These tiles are also incredibly durable. They are scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and can withstand heavy foot traffic. Perfect for busy families and active households. Cleaning is a breeze too. Simply wipe up spills, and your floors will look good as new. FloorPops. Rigel tiles offer the perfect combination of style, durability, and ease of use. Ready to upgrade your home with FloorPops? Imagine transforming your space with minimal effort and maximum style. You can find them on Amazon, making the process even more convenient. No need to visit multiple stores or deal with pushy salespeople. Order from the comfort of your home and have them delivered straight to your doorstep. It's as simple as a few clicks, and your new flooring is on its way. Amazon offers a wide selection of FloorPops Rigel tile colors and patterns. Whether you prefer classic designs or modern aesthetics, there's something for everyone. Browse the options and find the perfect fit for your space. Take your time to explore and visualize how each pattern will look in your home. You can also read reviews from other customers. See what others have to say about their experiences and get inspired by their transformations. With Amazon's easy ordering and fast shipping, you can start enjoying your new floors in no time. The anticipation of a fresh look for your home is just a few days away. It's a hassle-free way to transform your home. From the moment you place your order to the final installation, the process is designed to be seamless and enjoyable. Waterproof laminate flooring is transforming homes. It offers the perfect blend of style, durability, and peace of mind. And when it comes to the best, FloorPops Rigel peel and stick floor tiles stand out. Their waterproof nature, easy installation, and sleek design make them an excellent choice for any homeowner. Plus, the convenience of purchasing on Amazon makes the entire process seamless. Don't wait to give your home the upgrade it deserves. Consider FloorPops Rigel tiles. You'll love the results.